Hi everyone, today's lesson is evaluate expressions with fractions. Our objective is to use fractions to evaluate algebraic expressions. Let's take question number 4. We have here question number 4. J plus 3/8 and J is equal to 3/4. So it will be substitute 3/4 plus 3/8. Now add. Yes, we should have the same denominator. So this 4 should be 8. Okay. So now again we have the two fractions with the denominator 8. Here in this one it's 3/8, so I will write 3/8. Now this 4, now it's 8, we multiply by 2, so do the same for the 3, multiply it also by 2, it will be 6. So it's 6/8. So 3/4 is equivalent to 6/8. And 3/8 plus 6/8, that's 9/8, which is equivalent to 1 and 1/8. So the answer of question number 4 is 1 and 1/8. In question number 5, we have 8 minus J divided 7/8. And we have here G equal 5/6. Okay, start with substitution. We have 8 minus, remove G and write the value of G, which is 5/6. So minus 5/6 divided by 7/8. Do you remember the order of operations? Of course, we should divide before subtract. So let's divide. The order of operations again, guys. We have divide before we subtract. So it's 8 minus 5/6 multiplied by 8/7. So this is the reciprocal. This is how to divide fractions. And now 8 minus, to multiply here I can simplify. I have here 6 and 8 are divisible by 2. 6 divided 2 is 3. And 8 divided 2 is 4. 5 multiplied 4, that's 20. And 3 multiplied 7 is 21. Now subtract 8 minus 20 over 21. Okay. We can subtract this and we'll find that this is less than 1 by 1 over 21. So if I broke this 8 into 7 plus 1, I have this one is 21 over 21. Subtract, we will have only 1 over 21. So it will be 7 and 1 over 21. Okay, now try to solve question number 6 and question number 7 and come back to see the answer. Welcome back. Let's see question number 6. In question number 6, we have 3m divided 2/5, and we have the value of m is equal to 2/3. So substitute m is equal to 2/3. So it's 3 multiplied by 2/3, that's m, divided 2/5. We have here multiplication and division. Remember the order again? The order. Remember, guys, the order. PEM dash P parentheses E exponents or powers, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and S for subtraction. Okay, so this is the order of operations. Okay, we will use this order. According to this order, we have here multiplication and division. Multiplication and division in the same step. So this is step 1, this is step 2, step 3 here, and this step is 4. So these two in the same step start from left to right, and these two are also in the same step move from left to right. So here I will move from left to right. I will find multiplication first. So this is why I will start with multiplying 3 and 2/3. Let's do this. Three multiplied 2/3, we have here denominator 1, and 3 divided 3 is 1, 3 divided 3 is 1, so it's 1 multiplied 2, which is 2, and 1 multiplied 1 is 1, so it's 2, divided 2/5. Now change division into multiplication and get the reciprocal of the dividend, 5/2. Now multiply. We can simplify here. 2 divided 2 is 1, and 2 divided 2 is 1. So it's 5 multiplied 1, which is 5. So the final answer is 5. Let's take question number 7. In question number 7, W plus 11/12 minus 2/3 multiplied by 4, and we have the value of W equal 3/4. Okay, start first with substitution. W is 3/4. Substitute. So 3/4 plus 11/12 minus 2/3 inside bracket multiplied by 4. And now let's see what we have in operations. We have addition, we have brackets, we have subtraction, we have multiplication. Again, addition, brackets, subtraction, and multiplication. So, according to PEMDAS, we should start with P, which is parentheses, the brackets. Brackets here is this, so I should subtract first. So 3/4 plus. Now, to subtract here, guys, we should have the same denominator. The common denominator here is 12 and 11 as it is, because it's 11 over 12 already. And now it's 2/3 and 3 to be 12, I should multiply by 4. Do the same for 2, multiply also by 4. When you do this, multiply 2 by 4, it will be 8. And we have also here multiplied by 4. Okay, in the second step, we will subtract now. So 3/4 plus, we have the denominator 12, and 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Now this is multiplied by 4. Now guys, we have addition and multiplication. Which one to do first, addition or multiplication? Let's see. We have here addition and here multiplication. So we'll start with multiplication, of course. Multiply 3/12, multiply it by 4. Okay, we can simplify this, guys. We have 12 and 3 are divisible by 3. So divided 3 is 1 and 12 divided 3 is 4. When we multiply by 4, we have here denominator 1. We can simplify. We have 4 here and 4 here. Both are here. Both are divisible by 4. Divide 4 is 1, divide 4 is 1. So 1 multiplied 1 over 1 multiplied 1, that's all 1. So the value of all this is 1. And don't forget that we have 3/4. So that's 3/4 plus 1. This all is equal to 1. Okay? Now 3/4 plus 1, that's equal 1 and 3/4. So the final answer for question 7 is 1 and 3/4. Okay, guys, this is the final answer. Number 12. Complete each table by evaluating the expression for each value of the variable. Okay, guys, let's start with the first. We have here 2j plus 3/5. The value of j is half. So it's 2 multiplied by half plus 3/5. Of course, multiply first. So 2 multiplied half is 1 plus 3/5. That's 1 and 3/5. So the first one is 1 and 3/5. Now, do j for 4/5. Okay, it will be, solve with me, 2 multiplied 4/5 plus 3/5. Okay, try it. I'm waiting for you. Good. So start with multiplication. Multiply. Yes, this is 1 in the denominator. So it's 8/5 plus 3/5, which is 11/5. And this is equivalent to 2 and 1/5. So the second one is 2 and 1/5. Okay, do the last one by yourself. I'm waiting for you. Okay, now let's see 1 and 3/4 for the value of j. We have, it's 2 multiply j plus 3/5. So 2 multiply the value of j, we say that it's 1 and 3/4 plus, yes, plus 3/5. So let's find this now. Start with multiplication first. So 2 multiplied by, yes, we have to convert. 4 multiplied 1 is 4, plus 3, 7, plus 3/5. Now we have denominator 1 and simplify. Divided 4 is 2. 2 divided, we will divide by 2. 4 divided 2 is 2, and 2 divided 2 is 1. Now multiply. 1 by 7 is 7, and 1 by 2 is 2, plus 3/5. Now guys, in this question we don't have common denominator. How to solve this? We should have a common denominator. Okay, let's do it. Write the denominator, which is 10, and now 2 become 10. So multiply by 5. Do the same for 7. 7 should be also multiplied by 5, and 7 multiplied 5 is 35. Okay, let's do this again. We have here 5 become 10, so multiply by 2. Do the same for 3, multiply by 2, and 3 multiplied 2 is 6. We have here the denominator 10, and 6 plus 35, that's 41. And 41 over 10 is equal to 4 and 1/10. So the final answer is 4 and 1/10. Go back to the question. The last one is 4 and 1/10. Thank you guys. That's all for today. Goodbye.